Well, thank you guys for tuning into the channel, you guys. And today, this video is for all of you who want to start your digital marketing journey, but just do not know where to start. This video is going to be for you. As you guys know, I am Sam. I am your digital marketing coach, and I'm here to teach you how to use digital products in order to completely transform your life, you guys. And as you guys know, literally last month, you guys, I made over $26,000 with one digital product, you guys. And I want to show you guys how to do the same and how easy it is to start your journey today and start making the money that you want to make today. That is what we're going to get into with this video. It is going to be so simple, so easy. And when I tell you guys, you can start this today. I am going to teach you guys how to upload your products into the Stan Store, you guys. And I am going to teach you everything that you need to know to get you started today. I do not want to see you guys this summer wasting your lives away at somebody else's job when you can literally put just 1 hour a day into your own business and watch your business grow and flourish, you guys. Because like I said, you guys, I only started this business about 5 months ago, you guys. And this is literally from just one of my products. I made over $26,000, you guys, with one of my products. And I want that same success for you guys. So I am showing you guys how to do it in my course. Yes, you guys, I have literally opened up the floodgates. And when I tell you guys, I hold nothing back from you in the course. The course is going to show you everything that you need to know about digital marketing, how to put your products up, how to create your Stan Store, how to make the money that you want to make, y'all. Because that is the biggest thing. This year, we are transforming our lives. We are literally going to be able to make $100,000, $200,000, $300,000. Y'all, we finna get up to $1 million in sales. And I'm going to teach you guys how to do that simply by using digital products. I do not want you guys to work not one day. I don't want you to work not one day this year. And I'm going to show you in this video the 3 things that you need so that you can do this. And Sam knows that you can. So we're going to get right to the video, you guys. But before we do, you know I'm going to give you guys my shout outs of the day. Y'all, I know I've been missing in action, but my daughters are graduating. They have started their digital marketing journeys, you guys, and they are making the money that they want to make. And I'm here to teach you guys how to do the same thing. And that's where Sam has been. But you guys, I am back locked in, and we are going to get to this money, y'all, because literally, you guys can do this. I know that you have the skills. I know that you can do everything that you want to do this year. This is going to be such a transformative year for you guys. Using my course, I want you guys to be able to literally transform your life. So if you are not happy with the life that you have now, baby, let's go, let's go, let's go. Because when I tell you guys, it is easier over here on the digital marketing side. So if you have not started yet, this is going to be the video for you. All right, you guys, let's get right into my shout outs of the day. And you guys, my shout outs of the day, they are so amazing. And I'm so glad for everyone literally being able to transform their lives using the digital products, you guys. I am so happy and I'm so proud of all of you guys. And like I say, you guys, when someone lets me know that they have started making money, do you guys know how genuinely happy I am for them? Because you guys, I literally want everybody to live a carefree life where you're no longer struggling, you don't have to worry about money, and you can make the amounts of money that you want to make, okay? So you guys, let's get right into it. My first shout out of the day is Miss Christina, y'all. And when I tell you, Christina is a superstar, okay? So Christina, she started her abundance journal, y'all. She started an abundance journal. And that abundance journal, you guys, it is located on the 280 done for you digital products. You guys, we will get into what the 280 done for you digital products are, but y'all, it is amazing and it is included within the course. You guys, well, let's just get into it. The course is going to include your 280 done for you digital products. It is also going to include your over 615 faceless Instagram, Reels, and faceless TikToks. These are the content that you guys are going to use to post to promote your product. So literally, Sam built you guys a business in a box. Y'all can do this, and everything is going to be included with your faceless guide. So I'm going to teach you how to do this, literally being able to not show your face on camera. You're not showing your face on camera at all, you guys. So if you have a job that is really strict on you about second jobs and things like that, no problem. Sam has got you covered. So let's get back to the shout outs of the day, you guys. She used that abundance journal, you guys. She has over $1,800 in sales in just her first week, you guys. Last but not least, we have Mr. Amir, you guys. I'm so proud of Mr. Amir. You guys, the last video I did, I showed you guys how you are able to resell the course. And like I said, once you buy the course, I have put MMR and PLR rights on your course. You are able to sell that course immediately. That course definitely needs to be into one of your products, you guys, because that is going to be your high ticket product. That is going to be the one that's going to generate you the most income, you guys. So Mr. Amir, he has made $4,500 in just this week reselling his course, you guys. Being able to resell that course, and I'm so proud of him. And last but not least, you guys, we have Miss Joy, and y'all know I have such a special place in my heart for the realtors who are starting this, because like I said, you guys, I used to be a realtor, okay? And so when you guys are literally jumping into another business and taking the leap of faith, I am so happy and so proud to be able to see you guys make the money that you want to make and live the life that you want to live, where you have control of your life, you have control of your time, okay? So you guys, we have Miss Joy. She made over $2,700 just this week, you guys, using the relocation journal into her business. You guys, this can happen for you. Take the leap of faith, you guys, because I am going to tell you guys, you know what? Let's just get into the inspiration of the day, because that is the inspiration of the day. Go ahead and go take the leap of faith that you need, because we cannot stand still. A lot of people ask me, you guys, why did I go from writing resumes into going into the digital products, and was I scared to do it? And I'm going to tell you guys, I am not scared, okay? Because I know that my God is taking care of me. I have faith that whatever I do, my God will be there to support me. I literally have to be the one to show him the work, okay? So that is the inspiration of the day. Please know that, you guys, that God is always there to support you. He is always going to be there to help you transform and transition into what he wants you guys to be. So you guys, do not be scared. Take the leap of faith and do what you have to do. Put in the work and let God show you the way. Allow yourself to be guided by the Spirit, and allow yourself to be guided into a new life, in the life that God wants for you. So you guys, that is going to be the inspiration of the day, is literally allow yourself to be guided and allow yourself to take the leap of faith and do what you need to do. So that's what I want you guys to put into the comment section. I will take the leap of faith, and I will allow myself and my business to be guided by God. That is going to be your inspiration of the day, you guys. But let's get right into the video, okay? Let's get right into the video. There are only 3 things that you need so that you guys can really set this business off, okay? So that you are able to make thousands of dollars every single month, just like I have, and just like all the people who are on my shout outs of the day, okay? So you guys, I made over $26,000 with one digital product, and that digital product came from a done for you bundle. This is my done for you bundle, you guys. Let's go right to it. So you guys, this is the done for you bundle. It has over 280 done for you digital products. And the reason why I tell you guys to get the done for you digital products is because these products are tested and true, okay? These products are 100% tested tested and true. So you do not have to waste time creating your own products. You do not have to waste time creating your own products because Sam has already created them for you guys. So you do not have to have time creating your products and trying to see if your products are going to work, okay? These are the products that myself and my clients have been using. And like I told you guys, there are over 280 of these. You guys can pick any one of these to put on your stand store, and I'm going to suggest to every single one of you guys that you put at least 2 products plus the course on your stand store so that you can make the money that you want to make, okay? So you guys, these are the products, and as you guys can see, and I'm going to show you this financial budget package, that is voila. Those are in demand, and those are super in demand products, you guys. Go ahead and and I'm going to tell you, the 2 products that I use on my Faceless channel, you guys, is my budget planner and my debt tracker, okay? So those are the 2 products that I use on my Faceless channel, you guys. And like I said, they have made me, just one of those products has made me over $26,000 last month, okay? Another product bundle that is amazing. I want you to go to the personal development. Personal development, you guys, everyone is so looking into strengthening their health, their wealth, and their well-being, you guys. You can definitely sell any one of these planners, of these journals inside the personal development bundle, okay? And then last but not least, you guys, my manifestation bundle. This is for the spiritual, okay? So if you are one of the spiritual girlies just like me who definitely believes in faith, who believes in God, put that on your channel and let your followers know. Put that on the channel and literally be able to sell to your audience the tools that they need in order to really get their prayer and their faith together, okay? So you are able to sell any one of these products here, but you guys, this offers so much more. So if you go down here, you guys, we have other bundles. So we have the home property bundle, the health and wellness bundle, and the mental health bundle. You can pick any one of these products. But you guys, for you guys, I have also put a 2024 planner bundle in here. So this is weekly planners, you guys. But if you go down, I still have some more for you guys, like an expense tracker, a grocery list, a budget tracker, a meeting note, reading logs, you guys. You can pick any one of these. And to be on top of that, you guys, I gave you guys over 80 freebies, okay? So we have a weight loss planner. We have a vision board, a self-care planner. Do you know how many people are really into self-care? So you guys, these are done for you digital products, meaning that they are already done for you. The only thing that you need to do is literally post them into your stand store. They have already been created for you guys, so you no longer have to stress about what type of products to put on your website. I have literally been able to do all of that for you, okay? So this comes already pre-made for you guys, and all you're going to do is click share, go to template link, and we are going to copy that template link, you guys, and we're going to throw it into the stand store. That is all that you're doing. So this is such an amazing, amazing tool for you guys. So if you are planning to start, and I want you guys to be able to start this today, listen, it is going to be the summer, and I know that you guys want to make money on your vacation, okay? I know that you're going to be able to make money on your vacation, and this is how you're going to do it, okay? So you guys, that is the first one, and I'm going to get into the second one right now. Let's go. All right, you guys, so the next thing you're going to need is going to be your content, you guys. So what I have made for you guys is going to be your 615 aesthetic faceless videos. So you guys, you are going to need this, especially if you are going faceless. I'm going to say, even if you're not going faceless, you can use these videos as fillers. So some days you could be face, where you can actually show your face, but sometimes you guys, if you do not feel like getting dressed up, putting on your clothes and creating content, just use one of these 300, and I mean, not 300, I'm sorry, guys. Use one of these 600 faceless videos, you guys. And these videos are really simple, but they make such an impact. And I'm going to tell you guys, these videos, and the reason why these videos make such an impact, because a lot of the social media platforms that we are on, you guys, are particularly a little bit, I'm going to say it, some of these platforms are racist, okay? So if you are a person of color, you guys, sometimes they will only push your content out to other people of color. And the reason why I created them faceless for you guys is because they can listen. If they don't know what your skin color is, if they don't know what your skin color, if they don't know what your ethnicity is, if it's a big unknown, you guys, literally you're going to be able to go out and reach more people with your content, you guys. So what I want you guys to do is literally just sit there and be able to put in a trending sound, you guys, and let this video go absolutely wild, okay? So that is your second thing. And last but not least, you guys, it is going to be the course. Now let's get over to the course. So you guys, this is the course. And basically what I have done for you guys is took all of the knowledge that I have in marketing and in digital marketing, and using all of that experience that I've had for these last 5 months, and literally sitting there giving it to you guys. Because so many times I see so many creators literally see their customers as competition. I do not see you guys as competition. I see you guys as literally look, I see you guys as sisters. I see you guys as friends. I see you guys as brothers. I see you guys as someone who needs help, as Sam is giving you the help, okay? So I put all of my knowledge in from the 5 months that I have spent, and plus from the 10 years that I have spent marketing homes and putting homes on the market, you guys. And plus, like I said, Sam is a marketer, okay? So I am going to show you guys, and I'm going to equip you with the tools that you need to digital market. And like I said, with this course, you are going to get every piece of information that I have. And also, you guys, you are going to get your products, which are the 280 done for you digital products, and you are going to get your content, and you're going to get this course. So when you purchase the course, you're going to get all of those things in there, you guys. I am also putting in the live trainings, you guys. So you're going to get the live trainings, the 280 digital products, you guys, and then you're going to get your content. All of that is going to be included within the course. And y'all, start today. It is so easy for you guys. You can start creating and setting up your Stan store in literally 10 minutes. My course is going to teach you how to make the money that you want to make. My course is going to transform. It is going to change the life that you have now. And y'all, do it, okay? Jump and take that leap of faith and know that God is going to be there to support you guys, okay? So you guys, I love you guys, and I will see you guys right here on the next video. Bye.